Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This is for the base variant that comes with 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Retail price of Samsung in USD is $1,692. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The flagship smartphone of the series for the year 2020. Samsung with its new flagship Galaxy S20 is going to be the Ultra version of the series. The series for the new year has got stunning smartphones with outstanding features. The coming series has a standard version, a Plus, and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. This will be the flagship of the series as it has some amazing specs that can put it in the flagship category. The smartphone will be powered by Exynos 990 chipset. The chipset of Samsung's Galaxy S20 Ultra is also a flagship chipset that can all the high-end specs with accuracy and ease. The RAM that is coupled with the SoC is 12 GB. This is the high-end RAM capacity that is used in the Samsung Galaxy S20s. Both, the chipset and the RAM will enhance the processing speed of the handset a great deal. The internal storage is 512 GB. That is enough to store the data on the Galaxy S20 Ultra by Samsung for the rest of your life. The 6.9 inches dynamic AMOLED screen will ensure full HD plus resolution. The display screen reveals that the coming Samsung S20 Ultra is going to have minimal bezels on each side. Being a flagship of the series, the smartphone will be equipped with a quad camera setup on the rear. The main sensor of the Samsung Galaxy's S20 Ultra will 108 megapixels and the remaining sensors are still under the cover. The selfie shooter is also a single camera. It will the latest operating system, Android 10. The battery of the Galaxy S20 Ultra will be somewhere around 5000 mAh. This is enough power for the new heavy smartphone of the company. Like other flagships of the other companies, the Korean giant S20 Ultra will be packed with an in-display fingerprint reader.